What's up, guys? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2007 Yamaha Roadstar 1700. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see this thing up close and personal. It's that nice candy red color, and it's a pretty nice motorcycle. It's hard to believe it has like 30-some thousand miles on it. Start here in the back. See the rear tire. Rear tire has a lot of tread left on it there. Good to go. Use belt drive. There's the rear belt, or the rear sprocket with the belt. There you can see the exhaust. It does have Cobra pipes on it, which is a nice addition. Everything here on the rear fender is looking pretty good. It started on the tail with the tail lights. You got the turn signals, got the license plate mount. Obviously these wires would be covered up by the actual license plate. That's a Yamaha thing. I guess it saves money, but that is how they do it. Got the chrome here is looking good. Got the luggage rack there. Got the back of the sissy bar. All this stuff is looking good. The chrome is good to go. No pitting or rust or anything like that. Come along the side of the fender here. Everything's good in here. It does have these bags on it. See inside there, the nice big bags. They are leather, but they have like a frame to them. Got the seat up here. Got the nice comfy passenger seat with the backrest and the rider seat. This is a Mustang seat, which is a nice add. It's a nice upgrade. Got your side cover there. Got your passenger floorboard, rider floorboard, rear brake, the highway pegs. I'm going to show you these Cobra pipes here. They come out all on this side, under the bag. There you can see the Cobra. So you can get up close on the motor here. Got that big V-twin. I think it's actually considered a 1670cc. They call it the 1700. So that is that. Here on the side of the tank, got one little mark right there, and you see it crossing over the black stripe. Other than that, not much else to point out. There's a good thing. As you can see, this bike has the tall apes on it. I'm a tall guy. They're probably right at about the limit where I want them. I'm almost 6'3". I got a big wingspan. That is that. Got the back of your mirror. You got your brake, throttle, all that stuff. I already pointed out the highway pegs. There's the crash bars. There you can see that nice front wheel. Got your front brakes there. Fork tubes are in nice shape. See them there. Coming down to that front brake. Spinning around so you can see the other side. There they are. And there's the front brake on this side. Here on this nose, you can see there's some light like chips right in here. Some of these are actually just like a smudge. I'm not sure what caused it. Like one of them came off my fingernail, but that one did not. That one's still there, and that one's still there. Know that. There's your front tire. About the same as the back tire, in decent shape. Going around, you got the crash bars on this side. You got your highway pegs, your rider floorboard, your toe shifter, heel shifter, passenger floorboard, and you got your kickstand there. So this bike is carbureted, so you do have the fuel petcock valve here. You do have the choke, so that's something to know if you're interested in this bike. That it is carbureted. In here close on the motor, you can see all that. There's your transmission there. You can't see the belt anywhere in here, which is decent, but it is underneath this chrome belt guard, and then comes back in underneath behind that plastic piece. Got your side cover there. Jump back, there's your bag on this side. Looks the same as the other side, they're in identical shape. There's that. There's your backrest for the passenger. Look at the passenger seat, all the stitching is good. This is a nice big comfy seat for the passenger. But like I said, all the stitching in along here is good. And on the edges out here, that's all good. Same thing for the rider. Got a little bit of back support here. It's kind of got a dish to it. Give some back support for the rider. Got the studs there in the tank. Coming up over, you got your speedometer. Come up here, you got your control. You got your handlebar or the controls. Your clutch, high beam, low beam, turn signals, horn. Over here you got your throttle, brake, kill switch, start. You know the drill. Got your mirrors there too. Turn this thing on. 31,732 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this motorcycle, make sure that you check out the test drive. It should be up on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. There you go, that is that. Let's make sure that these turn signals work. There's turn signal on that side. Turn signal on this side. Make sure that one works in the back. Yes, it does. And the other one. There you go. Alright, like I said, this is a 2007 Yamaha Roadstar 1700. It's got a nice sound. It's got a nice look with the candy red. Do not miss out on this bike, and thanks so much for watching.